Everyone talking about YouTube Shorts or faceless YouTube channel, but did you know this realistic cardboard videos are going viral right now on Facebook and Instagram? Creators are making good amount of money from Facebook content monetization. The shocking part, and it was never made by hand. The entire video was created with AI in about 5 minutes, and most viewers would never notice because it's too realistic. This content style is exploding across social media right now, like Facebook and Instagram. One Facebook page has built more than 200,000 followers by posting almost nothing but satisfying DIY cardboard object videos. Several of its posts have already reached 1.5 million, 1.8 million, and even 2.4 million views. But most of the creator using paid AI tools, but I will show you with free AI tools which no one shows. And once you understand the process, you can create the same type of content without filming anything yourself. Here's a video I generated using AI in only a few minutes. Now let me show you exactly how to make one completely free. First, open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt into the chat. GPT will instantly provide you 10 viral topics. Go through the list and select the idea that feels the most unusual, visually interesting, or satisfying to build. Select the topic. Click Generate. GPT will tell you that preserves every detail from your master prompt without exceeding the response limit. Send OK. Instantly, GPT will provide you viral video title, viral concept, object design blueprint, master visual consistency block, complete 20-second story structure, clip action timeline, clip start and end frame prompt, clip video prompt. Send next to get all prompt. Next, open Google Flow and create a new project. Click here. Make sure the Nano Banana 2 option is selected. Select aspect ration, select 1. Then copy the first frame prompt from GPT and paste it back to the flow. After complete the first frame, head back to GPT, copy the second frame prompt, back to the Google Flow, click 3-dot option on first frame image you generated, click Add Prompt, and paste the second image prompt. Hit Send. Do the same for all frame prompt. After generate all the image prompt, click here, select video, select ingredients, select same aspect ratio as frame, select 1, choose Omni Flash as the video model. Now click the 3-dot option of frame image, click Add to Prompt. Do the same for start and end frame. Now go back to the GPT, copy and paste the first video prompt into the prompt box. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Do the same for video prompt 2. Google Flow will now create the entire DIY cardboard building video for you, from the first pieces of cardboard to the completed object. After a few moments, your realistic and satisfying cardboard creation video will be ready to preview, download, and upload to social media. Let's watch the final result. And that's the complete workflow. One viral page, one object idea, one master prompt, and a few minutes inside Google Flow. That's all you need to start creating this content style. I've added the full master prompt in the description, so download it, create your first cardboard object, and post your result. Then come back and comment the object you created. I may feature the best ones in an upcoming video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more video like this. See you soon.